I wanted to show you the cycles render here. Now, not everybody's going to be able to do that because right here on the digital camera icon, we have the render engine. And if you go down to cycles, you have to have not painted any of the reverse faces in order to get a clean view like this. Now, it's worth it if you're going to get up close and personal with your model, if you have shadows that are going to look extra good. But even with the EV render, you can get the metallic shine and a few other things. You can't make it mirror, but you can get that metallic shine. Now, let me show you how to switch on the render engine for for cycles. Because right here, it'll tell you whether or not you can use the GPU. Now, the CPU is just the processor that comes with the computer. And if I press F12 with the cycles render on here, it's going to render a single frame. And you can see that the EV took like 0.24 seconds. So EV is way faster, but it's not as high a quality. But it's fine for the longer renders that you're going to do. I have no problem with an EV render. But those of you doing extra cool stuff, this was 18, almost 19 seconds to render if you don't get the graphics card involved. To get the graphics card going, it's more than just changing this to the GPU, graphic processor unit. See how it's gray here? You have another setting you need to change. It's under Edit, Preferences, System. So it'll start off like here with the interface, go down to System, and let's select the optics. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 is the graphics card that we have in these computers. It's an older card, nothing fancy, but let's see what difference it makes from almost 20 seconds. Now with that switched on, I'm going to press F12. You can see, it says the last one actually took 31.81 seconds. And it's working its way through the samples here. So I've got it set to half of what the default is, and it's down to 12.77 seconds. So what you see is actually the shadows that are in here are going to be a lot smoother. Now, I would want to render it probably a little bit larger. If you're looking for a 4K render and you've got a longer video, then we'll render it overnight. But for short videos, with the graphics card, you can definitely get a good render in with cycles if you're using the GPU. So if it's taking an extra long time, make sure that this is white right here, the GPU compute. And again, Edit, Preferences, System, choose Optics, and then make sure the graphics card is there.